Thank you.
Discover your next financial freedom by owning your own private keys. SecuX protects your assets against physical and cyber attacks. Set up your recovery words, write them down, and keep it safe. It's quick to set up, and it's easy to navigate through your portfolio and manage your coins and tokens from your computer or mobile devices. With a 2.8-inch large touchscreen, never miss a digit or a transfer wherever you go. Check your balance, receive funds, and sign transactions on the go without the private key ever leaving the device. SecuX secures your private keys and protects your digital assets so you can relax and enjoy all the little things in life.